Hi, my name is Nav. It means new in Punjabi, and I'm really passionate about making innovative products that help people around the world. And that's why I have created a manual washing machine that saves time, water and effort for 70% of the world's population who have to hand wash clothes. So I studied engineering at university, and within 2 weeks of graduating, I joined one of the world's best graduate programs at Dyson, and I was there for about 3 years. I realized that every bit of good engineering that I was doing was basically just making a vacuum cleaner for a rich person around the world.
Just seeing.
I wanted my engineering to help people, so I decided to quit my job and I moved to South India. I got the idea of creating a manual washing machine after spending a lot of time with my next door neighbour. Her name was Divya, and Divya's life was an everyday struggle. Whether it was foraging for wood to cook her food or hand washing her family's clothes. It was back-breaking work. She used to complain of skin irritation and muscle cramps. And so that's why I promised her a manual washing machine. Our Divya manual washing machine saves 75% of time and 50% of water compared to hand washing clothes. Our washing machines are non-electric, so you need no energy to operate it. It's just manually by your hand. It's plastic on the outside and stainless steel on the inside, and it holds about 5 kg of clothes and takes about 15 to 20 minutes to wash 20 pieces of clothes. So we've positively impacted around 30,000 lives in 6 or 7 countries now. So from orphanages in Uganda to refugee camps in Iraq and Lebanon. Everyone's been experiencing the cost of living crisis. Electricity bills and heating bills have gone up considerably. And I would say probably about 15 to 20% of our phone calls are coming from developed nations. The washing machine costs about £100 right now, but we are working really hard to drive down the cost of production to around about £25. I want to continue to work on purpose-driven products, purpose-driven projects to make real impact for people around the world.